In this example, we're going to be converting from decimals to percentages using our simplifying method. 0.2 of people in New Zealand expect to get a pay rise in 2019. What is this as a percentage? So 0.2, we need to change it into a fraction first of all to really be able to understand it. To change it into a fraction, we need to go to our decimal place value tables. So we've got our units, our decimal points, our tenths, our 100ths, and in fact in this case we're just looking at 0.2. There's our decimal point, so we've got 0 holes and we've got 2 in the first column, and the first column is tenths. So 0.2 can be rewritten as 2 tenths. But we need to change it to a percentage. Now a percentage per cent means out of 100, because there are 100 years in a century, there are 100 legs on a centipede, there are 100 cents in a dollar. So cent just means 100. So we now need to write 2 tenths as an equivalent fraction, as something out of 100. So let's break everything down to its prime factors. 2 is prime, 10 we can break down. 10 is 2 times 5. So we've got 2 over 2 times 5. And 100 we can break down. 100 is 2 times 50, 2 times 25, and then 5 times 5. So the prime factors would be 2255. So 2 times 2 times 5 times 5 is going to be the equivalent of 100. Now we just need to compare and see what we need to do, how we need to unsimplify the problem in order to make it what we're looking for out of 100. So at the moment we've got 2 times 5, and we can see that we've already got 2 times 5 here. We just got an extra times 2 and times 5. So what we need to do to our original number is multiply it times 2 times 5. So our numerator was 2, and now we need to do exactly the same as happened as on the denominator, and we have to times it by another 2 and times it by another 5. Okay, let's expand this out and see what we come up with. So this was originally 2 times 10, and that's equivalent to 2 times 2, which is 4, 4 times 5, which is 20, and this is 2 times 2, which is 4, 4 times 5, which is 20, 20 times 5, which is 100. We kind of knew that anyway, didn't we? So that's 2 out of 10 is equivalent to 20 out of 100, and 20 out of 100 is 20%. So therefore 0.2 is the same as 20%.